Good morning, everyone. This is Surendra Babu, APMS B Kotakota, working at ITRC Private Limited. Today, I'm discussing about presentation, technical presentation on IT and ITS industry sector. IT and ITS state Andhra Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh. Now, I'm discussing about IT industry, IT applications in technologically developed nation. Information technology has become a part of everyday life. For using computer applications, doing office work, by using banking and booking tickets to travel, bank operations, watching movies, learning music, playing games. These all are using applications, IT applications. Now, IT in home computing, IT in everyday life, IT in library, IT at workplace, IT in education, IT in entertainment, IT in communication, IT in banking, IT in healthcare. Now, I am discussion IT in home computing. A personal computer is used to work at home, to do householder account, play games, surfing internet. Computer can be used online learning courses. IT in everyday life. In our daily life, we used washing machines, microwaves, one and many other products using which has embedded softwares. We can store all the information about important things. Online shopping, newspaper, reading newspapers, library, art in library. Nowadays, many libraries are compared. Each book has a barcode assisted in IT. Now, where you don't about subject, then search library and words meanings, etc. IT at workplace. In the office environment, computer and computer application are used to perform office work more effectively. Speed and efficiency and importance at workplace. IT and applications. Easy method at communication. IT in education. We all are learning about education. Computer and information technology are adjusting used education for teaching, learning and assessment. ICT classrooms, e-learning classrooms, smart board presentation, video on experiments, education games, anywhere, education, anywhere, anytime, learning ideas and thoughts, learning management system. These all are education importance about persons. IT in entertainment. Entertainment is the one of the part of our life. Information technology has had a major important on the entertainment industry. Internet is a major source of entertainment. We are all busy schedule. Then relax something. What we are some relax entertainments, music, songs. Sorry, learning newspapers and watching movies, learning, listening. These all are entertainments parts. IT in communication. Communication is used to convert image and idea, pictures or spreads. We use computer for email, chatting, file transfer protocol, telnet and video conferencing. Communication is nothing but used to conversion messages and ideas and thoughts. IT in banking. Every activity of a bank is now online. We are all are working at Employ ITRC Private Limited. We are all are submitting account numbers. Our managements send the salaries by net banking, net banking. The customers' data and transfer are recorded by computer. This is the every transfers translations recorded by computer. Mainly banking applications using shopping and online tickets booking, etc. IT in healthcare. We all are suffering in coronavirus COVID-19 pandemic situation. Nowadays where home quarantines are doing situation. For example, hospital management system, CAT, ICT diagnosis, electrodiagnosis machine, CSM, blood sugar testing machine, blood pressure measuring machine, CAT, ECG, EEG. These all are machines applications by using systematically. Thank you one and all. Thank you for given opportunity. Thank you for IT RC Private Limited. Thank you one and all.